KFC is one of the biggest fast food chains in the world. With over 25,000 locations in more than 145 countries, their fried chicken is loved by millions. But what makes it so special? In this video, we'll explore the secrets behind KFC's delicious chicken, its fascinating history, and how it maintains quality across the globe. The story of KFC begins with Colonel Harlan Sanders, who started selling fried chicken from his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. During the Great Depression, his recipe, featuring a unique blend of 11 herbs and spices, became so popular that he was named a Kentucky Colonel by the governor in 1935. In the 1950s, Sanders began franchising his concept, and the first KFC franchise opened in Utah in 1952. The company grew rapidly, expanding internationally by the 1960s. Sanders sold KFC to a group of investors in 1964, but remained its public face until his death in 1980. Today, KFC is part of Yum! Brands and continues to thrive as a global giant, adapting its menu to local tastes, like offering KFC as a Christmas meal in Japan or spicy chicken burgers in China. A key to KFC's unique chicken is its cooking method. KFC uses pressure fryers, which are like deep fryers, and pressure cookers rolled into one. These machines are completely airtight, trapping steam and pressure inside. This cooks the chicken fast and evenly, giving it that signature crispy exterior and juicy interior. The high pressure also softens the chicken's connective tissue, making it tender in a way that's hard to replicate at home. Colonel Sanders himself invented this method by tweaking a pressure cooker, and it's been a game-changer ever since. Unlike your typical kitchen fryer, these commercial machines cost thousands of dollars, so don't expect to find one next to your stove. Then there's the hands-on approach KFC takes with its chicken. Unlike many fast food joints that rely on pre-prepared food shipped from factories, KFC breads its chicken by hand at each location. Every piece is coated with that famous spice blend, dipped in buttermilk and breaded right there. It's a time-consuming process, but it pays off with a fresher, tastier product. Hand breading means better quality control and a more even coating, locking in flavor and crispiness that mass-produced options just can't match. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, KFC's 11 herbs and spices. This secret blend is what gives the chicken its savory, peppery, herbaceous kick. The exact recipe? A mystery. It's locked in a vault at KFC's headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky, and only a handful of people know it. KFC even uses multiple suppliers to mix parts of the blend separately, so no one has the full picture. Some guess it includes garlic salt, black pepper, paprika, dried mustard, and celery salt, thanks to a leaked note reported by the Chicago Tribune in 2016. Home cooks have come close to cracking it, but KFC insists the real formula remains under wraps. Whatever's in it, this spice mix is the heart of KFC's unforgettable taste. Consistency is king at KFC, and they don't leave it to chance. Every franchise follows strict preparation and cooking guidelines. Regular inspections and training keep standards high, and the chicken comes from trusted suppliers who meet KFC's quality rules. This attention to detail ensures that whether you're in Kentucky or Beijing, your KFC chicken tastes just as good. KFC's global success isn't just about the recipe, it's about adaptation. In China, one of their biggest markets, KFC offers rice dishes and spicy options tailored to local tastes. Since entering China in the 1980s, it's become a fast food powerhouse there. This flexibility has helped KFC win over chicken lovers worldwide. And let's not forget the marketing magic. The "Finger-lickin' good" slogan, born in the 1950s, sums up KFC's appeal perfectly. Colonel Sanders became a beloved mascot, and today, KFC keeps the buzz alive with social media and clever campaigns. From its roadside roots to a worldwide empire, KFC's success comes down to pressure frying, hand breading, a top-secret spice blend, quality control, global tweaks, and smart branding. Next time you dig into a bucket, you'll know the secrets behind every crispy, juicy bite. Thanks for watching United Discovery. Like, subscribe, and stay curious.